Hi, I'm Maggie Belmar, and my project is on convergent plate boundaries. So what are convergent plate boundaries? They are two plates that will move together, and one can slide under the other, or it can slide over the other. The denser plate will subduct, which means go under the other. There are three types. There is ocean-ocean, ocean-continent, and continent-continent. Here in the pictures I have over to the side, the top one would be ocean-continent, the middle will be ocean-ocean, and the bottom will be continent-continent. For ocean-ocean, there is two oceanic plates involved. The older, colder plate is denser, so that means that it will subduct and go under the younger, warmer plate. So there is commonly an ocean trench along this boundary. So when it does subduct and there becomes that little cavity right there in the middle, it won't be a very deep cavity, but it will still be a trench. So up next we have ocean continent. So this involves an oceanic plate and a continental plate. The oceanic is pushed underneath the continental plate, and the sediment on the continental plate is thrust up, which creates an accretionary wedge. I'm sorry, I know I don't say that right. But because of this wedge, it will produce mafic magma to rise to the base of the crust, melting the crustal rock. So as the magma ascends through the crust, it produces mountain chains with volcanoes. Along with these volcanoes, they can be dormant. They can also just be mountains and not have magma inside them. And then next we have continent. So for continent, there involves two continental plates, of course, and then one of them will be a continent/large island moves and collides with another continent. So this plate moves due to subducting oceanic crust. So the colliding continent will not subduct. So in this picture down here, the right side will be the one that is colliding with the left side. So for this, they are both the same densities, but because they are using force, the right side will go over, and the root of the oceanic plate will break off and sink into the mantle. This plate boundary can often create mountain ranges, and it will not be volcanoes, and it will just be mountains.